towards 175. Definitely would see that 67.15 trigger break.
Oracle at $10 off the lows.
Nice. It's just tag Friday. Well, actually, just breaching.
Yeah.
I just came to this, but like, first day, like, being used as an ATM, but I think it's just profits being spread around. I attached RSP also, so I think generally doesn't happen in the bear market. In bear market, we would see the dollar ripping and just going straight into cash. I mean, maybe a little profit taken across the board, but overall, I think it's somewhat healthy.
Amazon or Pi break.
Okay. Let's make some motherfucking money.
Candle forms on Oracle down here.
It's not a trade I want.
It would be,
Meta is something I'm looking at for a short. Okay, look at this. Starting to curl. Look at this curling. Look at the EMA starting to curl. On 2, 3, and 5. 2 minute, we're under. So technically, could possibly get an entry. I want to see if we get under on the 3 minute here. Let's look at Meta. Let's go to this. Let's go to this.
NASDAQ's still treading.
And I'd be looking at 625s. And we could easily drop $2 there.
I mean, we've tested the overnight low a handful of times here and just can't break.
Come on, do it. Drop it, 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 drop it. Come on. What's NQ doing? NQ is just sitting there. IWM. Yeah, Meta has a nice setup here. And I could, again, drop.
I'll fall asleep watching this too.
See if we get a close under. And then a wick back. No close under on the 3 minute here.
So I was saying about an hour ago, it's just
Okay, no close under.
it's kind of in the zone. And,
Check that 5 minute.
I'm not sure.
Got a close under on the 5 minute. Let's see if we reject like 627-ish here. If we reject this 627.30, 627.40, I'm going to try.
Although the VIX has stayed, it's coming a little bit, I guess. Still get paid to wait. You know, Tesla still under the pre-session high, which was 412. Looks neat. Video chop.
So far, rejecting that 627.40. Again, still have that. Look at this curl. Little higher high. Look at all the wicks. Wick, 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 wick. And we're wicking down. And Q still holding up a little bit here, though. IWM leaning up. IW's probably sees new highs, or at least it's 243.60.
Does Zelensky's ready to meet Trump over Thanksgiving to finalize deal?
NQ pushing higher a little bit. AMD pushing higher, still holding those EMAs. NVIDIA pushing higher, still holding those EMAs. Google's just, well, other than now, was getting decimated. Apple looking weak. Been watching Apple, but I just don't like the setup as much as I do Meta.
Microsoft with nothing. $4.70.
630. 635. No, you fuck. Okay. Let's see. What I want to do
UNH 326
is
2.3%.
I should have grabbed what I said. 627.40. Yep. Darn. That sums up my day. Honestly, that sums up my day. I'm not listening to myself.
Yeah,
Just missed out on a $50 per contract there. Ooh, wow. Look at that bounce off the 21 there. That was a quickie. IWM weakening.
back above the
Apple continuing to be weak.
4 hours, back above the moving averages. So it's in process of the 290.6
Meta now trying to push higher.
All right, what do you guys think? Panel, what's the leader today for the Nasdaq 100? What stock is leading? Up 3.94%. Any guesses?
I've seen the heat map, so I think I already know.
Well, you're right. It's Lululemon. Oh wow.
Oh no, I forgot about CRM.
It's sad, but you know who we had on stream recently who talked very highly about Lulu? It's Michael Coe.
Reddit.
He was talking about
What was that?
the foot traffic there.
No, Reddit not good. Didn't give me what I wanted. HD.
It did break out over this. Broke out over the 50, which has been just this thing has been destroyed.
You can watch CRM and
Want to try and trade it? You could say it could be a buy. I think your target's 186. So
looks like the market wants higher. I mean, you're seeing individuals pull up again here.
$5. That's like a 2-to-1 risk reward.
Yeah.
But I like it above. Every time we've been at the moving averages, we just get
Check our
rejected.
names.
And this is the first time we've kind of pushed through it on the daily. So
Okay, real talk though. Do you know the ticker FRCOY?
No.
No. Do you know the brand Uniqlo?
that's
Yeah.
what is this? An ADR?
Uniqlo.
Oh, unique choices.
Uniqlo. yeah, Uniqlo. I mean, just saying. Maybe
AVGO.
somebody is taking market share,
Will be.
actually, and
I mean, with the
maybe there's actually a better option.
of the Shine Timu thing, considering they lost de minimis.
And maybe there is a better setup.
I just don't know that the Japanese companies get the same kind of trade love as they should. Like Nintendo's been killing it. Their stock's doing nothing.
Ooh,
Well,
okay.
Zoom out. Throw it on a daily.
I mean, okay, weekly you can make a case for Nintendo.
No. This one that I just talked about.
What are the
FRCOY.
On the weekly,
Or daily, or whatever. Just zoom out. Look at enough data.
Okay, I see that. Really,
65
Crawling.
to $20.
Yeah, I don't think you're looking at the same one.
FRCOY? No.
OY.
Okay, there goes that. I talked about. It looked like we were gonna lead up there.
Yeah, fast retailing, right?
Yeah.
You like it for a long trade? What are you thinking?
Or like the same time frame you would be thinking of Lulu. Long time.
That's what you're saying. Okay. You're talking long time trade, like some leaps or something.
Like stock.
real quick.
Or
Yeah.
Diaz pushing over VWAP, new low of day on VIX. We could be setting up for the rally right here.
Yeah, we could be.
67.15 SPX trigger right at it.
If you don't have international, it's one of the it's $100 billion market cap. It's not a small company.
Okay.
Palantir 160 again. No, boys yapping. Who's off the nose?
Yeah, that's my trigger. And the VIX is dripping, so I'll find something to buy.
Okay. Still leading up here and strong. Leading up and strong. IWM leading up strong. And Q about to see those recent those opening highs.
Do we have a 30 spooze points, Ripper, to Thursday open?
You know what? You
Look at
can do that.
Embiid.
You wanted something to buy.
Holding at 2 and 3.
All right.
Again, great trade there. If you grab on the dip of the 2 and 3 right here, great trade.
I mean, hoodie, full stock, always buy.
Always a buy.
There we go. Trying to break that opening high.
Buy hours.
All right, Q.
Nvidia with the stick.
They want them higher. They either want them higher, they're gonna slap them hard. One or the other.
Laugh it again.
You might just keep tagging the 50 and get rejected.
Hey, so was there anything going on with Netflix? That volume yesterday at the close was absolutely ridiculous. Looked decent in the free market, just completely sold.
We rejected. We got a new high there. We rejected. IWM. Oh, Apple weakening.
So paper, I was just noticing some weird volume stuff happening,
Meta, no new high.
which is the MOC cutoff.
Yeah.
Look at these wicks.
That would be a fund, basically a large MOC order, and then arbitrage against that.
Yeah.
AMD and Nvidia leading here,
Large.
That is huge.
leading that move higher.
That was a 3% 1 minute candle.
Could you move different?
Oh, I think. Oh, I can now. I didn't hear them before. Sorry.
Are you good? Just making sure.
AMD,
6, 19, 50.
Tesla, 410. Yeah, Meta awakening again. Look at this. If we got under this 21, could be nice. Meta's on borrowed time there. It looks slow. IWM double top. Let's see. We've had 1, 2. Yeah. Microsoft, AMD.
Mm-hmm.
iDubbbz.
Paper, you should stick around at lunchtime if you're around. We shouldn't talk options.
Some options coming up half hour.
We'll keep it like free flowing, just like it normally is. Kind of just focus a little more on the options. Talent, education.
Okay.
This is the neutral tick after a plus 800. This is where we want to see them get back up for continuation.
Okay, I'm watching those for shorts. Meta, Google.
Volume is dying off up here a bit. Just toying with us. Make a decision.
Yeah, I'm done watching it. I'm working on some other stuff.
Yeah.
Keeping an eye on things, but it's just like, geez.
You're monitoring the situation.
Watching paint dry.
Read my mind. Yeah.
I mean, I said this like an hour ago. I just said I think we're going to chop around this level, which makes sense. I mean, you should.
Google.
Financial scene, nothing. Oil continues to drift lower. Staples a little bit. Healthcare just drifting off the highs. I don't think anybody's computers are on.
No.
Out harvesting their turkeys or something.
Yeah.
Tesla trying to break over this 412 area. If you get some momentum towards the 413 and north, you might get a little push there.
Nvidia's almost at or pi high day. AMD's just over halfway through orb.
Google.
200 reclaim may be a good look for AMD.
Let's see, what about Microsoft?
I Google.
Tesla trying to push a little. IWM is coming slightly off the highs. Use middle of the range. Nvidia's pushing a little bit now.
Okay. Got into a Google short there. Let's see, 319.30. $319.30. Come on. Drop it down. What's NQ doing? NQ still flattish. If NQ drops, this helps even more.
Not a lot to do.
I'm short Google right now. If NQ drops, obviously that would help, but and Google's been the weakest. It's under all the EMAs and just rejected a retest there.
I threw well, it's kind of slower here. I threw a link up top for everybody if you guys want to check that out from ClearEdge there. For anybody that wants to try out any of the automation stuff, you can use code ACE and get $50 off your first month using it. So we are doing a bunch of live streams with them all the time as well. I think we have another one today. So usually you get some free trials out on those. I don't know if we're gonna have that today, but I would, if you're interested, I would also pop on that stream later, and you might get the chance to try it out for free for like 2 weeks or so. But that link's up top if anybody wants to grab that. IB is not taking any trades today, if anybody was wondering.
We're gonna go? We're not gonna go? Come on. Everybody just jump on the
Slowly
offer.
but surely.
Need some volume to come in up there. Come on. Here we go. We need to go.
Lastly,
This is painful. I mean, just a lot of these names are just going sideways, you know? Netflix, Microsoft, Little Pop.
Google weakening again. Meta. Yeah, I actually just got short Meta.
The problem is like Meta's coming off, and then Nvidia's waking up, right? So they're just trading.
Yes.
If you're on, I don't think you're gonna go very far, right? Or Q, rather. Maybe spot, but probably not Q's. I'm listening to Knots. He's like on my exact trade. Like, if actually, I was thinking about going short Meta just because it tagged my profit target to the upside this morning. I have a handful of longs that are in that small mid cap range that are not the high flyers, but maybe my more faulty stocks that have had big pullbacks. But
Yeah.
Google was like my only short this morning, which had dude, these contracts nuts, like, bro, my god, I have not seen Google options trade like this, like act like this, and like I've never seen this.
And-
they're swinging like Tesla contracts right now. It's wild.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously you've had a huge move in Google over the past week or two. The IB is obviously high in Google, right? Because the move's been on the two side and aggressive. Yeah, I mean, here the weekly options expire for $10 is the expected move, which is a pretty big range for Google. For 3
True.
days to go.
Meta weakening here. There we go.
Yeah, I had the butterfly. I sold it up there like 16 to 7. It was a very nice trade.
Nice. Very nice. I feel like Google like wanted to get there, but it's still weak. Now it's trying to bounce back up.
Meta is sitting in the daily though. Meta is right at the 200. Sorry, the 20. So it kind of tagged, looked over, and then kind of backed us off the 20 period moving average, which is 625.33. So that kind of makes sense. We should get some pause when we run into these moving averages.
Yeah, I was just looking Meta on 2, 3, and 5 minute, and we had those upper wicks. It was like, kind of curling, like making a rounded top there. Just looked like a nice one for me. I'm going to trim some Meta out here. Oh no. Now I just need.
Squeeze into, but nothing's gonna happen. Slow melt out. Yeah, Brock over that monster. And then it's Oracle's coming off these lows. I do like that. We push into the afternoon and push it up over 200. I really like that.
I need Meta.
We hit 185. So that spread on there, so ratio spread. I'd like to see it high. I figured with the market up as much as it was, we would see Oracle participate yesterday. It's okay. Yeah, Tesla is over 413 now, which is kind of that little bit of a shelf. We'll look on the 5 minute. Cleared the 412.
Reminder, if you guys are getting chopped up and you're buying new accounts, use code WOLF. Also, I threw a link up top. There's now an options profit, which a lot of you guys don't know. that China been asking about for a while now. We just haven't known of one, but we found one that's pretty solid and actually reputable. They've never denied a payout. And I threw that link up top if anybody wants to try them out. Use code Wolf there as well. But kind of cool. A lot of people in our audience don't really trade futures, at least as much as us on the panel.
Spy, push it once. Definitely improving. 80 lines are good. Obviously, the S&P is a lot stronger than the Nasdaq. About 10 points above the 50. There we go, a little push now. That's a lie.
Yep. Look at Google just not doing it with it. It's so weak.
Yeah, everything's kind of pushing. The tech's still red. If they get the tech sector XLK to go green, should accelerate this move. So the cumulative ticks positive since the open. 80 lines positive, stayed positive, and they go back up. So ticks your majority above the zero.
I'm still thinking the Thursday open 67.48 by call over 20 points.
67.46 with T27.
I'm going to close my Googles for profit with Q's going higher just in case. Nothing crazy on that trade, but
holiday week. Yeah, IWM was flying.
It is. I know. It's slowing down here.
Yeah, we're the 50-day on IWM was at 242.87. Cleared that. We are breaking the downtrend. The regional banks have already broken out over that downtrend. That was a great trade. I talked about that yesterday. I said, watch to see if there's a break. We're in a big candle at almost 3% today on KRE, the regionals. Biggest thing on that is obviously the rate cuts for retail sales and a little bit worsening consumer sentiment is causing rates to come down, which is the most sensitive areas, small cap, utilities, real estate. As these rate cuts keep coming in, real estate may be another sector that can start perking up. Although a slower mover, does have some strength with interest rates are coming down. Real estate XLRE is up 1% today as well.
Thank you, rejecting there. Okay. So now I'm just watching and waiting. I'm in a spread. I was in a put spread. I got a really good entry. I'd be shocked if after Thursday, who knows? Last Thursday, but I'd be shocked if we dropped that much. Should be clean on that.
Unless you see a move where you start, the breast starts to deteriorate quickly.
Yeah.
I think you're probably fine for now. I don't see that. If we saw that on Thursday, the breath all of a sudden started rolling higher.
Crazy. What a crazy move. Don't see those often.
Away from my desk at about 10:45
He came back and you're like, what the fuck? What the hell is this?
Yeah, I caught some of it. I actually had some micro puts on it. I caught some of it actually. I think I remember I looked back at the prices, the 6,700 puts, like close to the highs, were trading for $2.
Damn.
$2,800 of a return of $140,000.
Google's weakening here. Google. My screen just froze. There we go. Ooh, Google new lows. Well, not new lows. I mean, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say under 319. Because it's definitely not new lows. My fault. AMD curling down.
Google about to go red. I mean, it's basically flat. It's up
Yep.
Kind of an interesting candle on the daily. Hit 328, which reversed off it back to yesterday's high. AMD still did 7%. I can't get it.
Yeah, I know. Google trying to bounce back there a little bit. Amazon still nice and strong. I mean, market's still trying to lead up here a bit. I have my eyes on a possible IWM short if we start to see it like break down. That's probably my last trade for the day.
I like this. Well, the 50, like I said, the 242.88. I'd like, if it rejects it and all of a sudden we come back below that, or close below this downtrend line, which is somewhere around 242 or south of that,
Mhm.
I would be more inclined to.
It's strong.
It is strong and breaking out. It's been strong all morning. I mean, everything kind of continues to lift. Amazon, I think it's at new highs of the day.
Yeah, Amazon. There goes NQ. What did I say?
Yeah, maybe they're gonna go test Thursday's high. I guess that would be SPY to 675.
Very possible. Yeah, they're walking it up here.
It's a slow grind.
And there's 67.30. All right. Well, let's see if we get that full target, but I'm gonna head on out here.
Okay. And Q. Let's see if we can get over 900 there. Okay, give me 1 second.
Oh, it's freaking muted. Oh, I said by the pizza. Okay. Almost to the midnight.
And Q is over 900. All right, guys, I have to hop off. I have to get